General Electric had its best month ever in January, gaining more than 30%. However, options traders now are looking for that stock to give up some of those gains. Pete Najarian live in Minneapolis with unusual activity. Sounds like you're probably in on this because you believe it was going to go lower, too.
Yeah, I absolutely am. And what I'd tell you is this. When you look back at December, Scott, this stock late December was underneath $7 a share. You mentioned that big run. It was 8.5 to start the year, got all the way up to 10.5. Yes, actually over 10.5 on Wednesday. So that is a big move. It's been a tremendous move for GE, a nice rally to the upside after their earnings. People got a little bit more excited about things. Well, it's been drifting back down a little bit today. When it was trading around $10 a share, two different types of trades came in. One was extremely short term. They were buying the 8.5 puts. They bought 46,000 of those. But the one I'm focused on is they went out to March 8th expiring, and these are the 9-strike puts, Scott, that were trading for 9 cents, and they were buying these puts, or 11 cents rather, excuse me, the 11 cents, and they bought 115,000 of these puts. This is very, very similar to what we were seeing for months and months as GE was falling to the downside, was these very, very large, buy a little bit of time type trades looking for downside. It would make some sense after this big run to the upside. It's already down about 3% today since that trade, and those options are already starting to move to the upside. Somebody was just telling me on Twitter that they're seeing that these options have already doubled so far today. So that's pretty interesting. I still got an update for you as well, if you've got a moment.
Yeah, go ahead.
You got a moment?
Yeah, we do.
Yesterday
we bring you here for just one name?
Hey, man, no, I'm going to give you a second one, but sometimes you bring in other guys.
And he got so dressed up. Look at this. He's styling out there in Minnesota.
Weiss is admiring your wardrobe today.
Yeah, well, it's -10 here, Weiss, and actually wind chill's -30. But anyway, so Cleveland Cliffs was interesting yesterday. We talked about that big buying, right? We talked about it being very short term. It's going out 1 week. They're buying the 12.5 calls. When the stock started to move today, CEO comments, everything else, add it all up, those options have gone from 9 cents yesterday to now trading over 30 cents today. I think the high tick so far, something like 31, maybe even a little bit higher. I'm not really sure. I haven't seen it most recently, but you got to trim. You got to be disciplined. I've taken off a third of that trade because it only lasts a week anyway. That's a big jump. It's a 300% move. Nice big move. Take off some, but I'm going to ride out. I've got some offers up above as well.
Do you have any idea if there were any fireworks this time with the CEO and the analysts?
I did not hear about that, but I did hear somebody telling me that the CEO has been absolutely spectacular, and they loved the report from the last night.
Yeah,
so, yes.
We need to look into that again. Pete, thanks.